Cyber spring cleaning, maintaining your digital home. My thanks to Emma McGowan for her excellent article, which was the inspiration for this video. You'll find her article at the link listed. From outdated devices to unchecked settings, here are 5 tips to attain cyber zen. A year-round cyber cleaning routine will ensure peace of mind knowing that our devices are functioning securely and at their optimal capacity. Update your devices. Software updates are essential for maintaining the security and quality of your laptops, wearables, and mobile devices. Stay on top of the latest features that protect data, improve performance, and patch security flaws. So in order to maintain this tidy digital home, take a moment to check that you have enabled automatic software updates to defend against potential threats. Check your privacy settings. Scrub through your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter profiles and manually adjust the privacy settings to avoid sharing information that you don't want accessed or published online, to ensure your digital home is safe and secure. Secure your Wi-Fi. Ensuring your Wi-Fi is secure is vital to maintaining your digital home's security to help protect your private data and devices from unauthorized access. Secure your Wi-Fi network by changing the factory set default password to a customized secure password or passphrase that can't be easily guessed. When changing your password, don't use readily identifiable information, such as your birthday or your name. Don't make the password overly complicated, since you may need to input it from devices like your TV's remote control. Refresh your passwords. You should prioritize updating your passwords periodically to avoid a potential hack. Routinely cleaning your passwords can help prevent unwanted access to your accounts by anyone who may have obtained your old password through a prior large-scale data breach. Use integrated antivirus software, which means installing a robust antivirus program. I personally have used the free version of Avast since 2003. It's always done an excellent job and deserves my recommendation. Learn more about their products by following the link listed. Stay safe and secure. Follow this sound advice to protect your cybersecurity. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.